Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god you guys, it's been more than a month that I've said that, and wow, boy does it feels good to be back. I don't know if you guys noticed, I know, just try to zhuzh up my look a little bit. I've never gotten this shot with my hair in my entire life, so it's kind of taking me a while to get used to it. Some days I like it, some days I don't. I'm gonna be completely honest, while I was on a break, I was completely detached from the whole makeup world and the skincare world. So I thought, why not come on this channel reviewing a skincare product for you guys. So today I'll be reviewing this peeling solution by Saturn. So in case if you guys want to know what I feel about this product, then please continue watching. Before reviewing this product, I just wanted to quickly mention that Saturn was kind enough to send me this product to review for you guys. So while the product was sent to me, I'm going to be completely honest with my review on this product, just like any other reviews. You guys know that already, and if you guys have been following me for a while, you would know. This is the 25% AHA, 2% BHA, 5% PHA peeling solution. You get 30 ml of product in this, which retails for 599 rupees. This is a peeling solution, which means it is a chemical exfoliator. If you are new to skincare and if you are unaware of what exactly it is, it's just basically an exfoliator for your skin. It's much more gentler than those physical walnut beads while exfoliator that you get in the market, yet it's a lot more effective on your skin. Like I mentioned earlier, I was taking a break from skincare, so the minute I received it, I thought, like, you know, this is the right time and the right opportunity for me to use and test out this product. And as soon as I received it, I wanted to put it on my face, and that's exactly what I did. And I loved how not only it exfoliated my skin, but it also left my skin feeling super soft and super smooth to the touch, which wasn't the case prior to using this peeling solution. So all thanks goes to this little bad guy right over here. The thing that I really liked about this peeling solution is that although it is more on the stronger side, it does not feel super strong on your skin, yet it gives you the result. I have used chemical exfoliators in the past with the same concentration, but it always left that tingling feeling on my skin from the application to the removal process. But this one, on the other hand, it just tingled my skin for, I would say, 2 minutes. The way you're supposed to apply it is you need to wash your face, clean it thoroughly, make sure that your skin is absolutely dry, apply the solution all over your face or wherever you want to apply it, leave it on for 10 minutes. Make sure that you're not leaving it on your skin for more than 10 minutes, because you don't want this to do the opposite of what it's supposed to do. So 10 minutes max, and once the 10 minutes are done, wash it off, follow it up with your usual skincare. I would say do not use any other actives with this one, and just load up your face with moisturizer and oil, and you'll be good to go. Another interesting thing about this peeling solution is that it is clear in color. Other chemical exfoliators that I've used in the past, they often have a different color to it, mostly red or yellow, or you know, it does have a little bit of tint to it. This one, on the other hand, it is transparent, and I love how fluid it is, yet it has that viscosity to it. Also, this product is fragrance free, which makes it even more great, because you guys know that already how much I am a huge advocate of no fragrance in my skincare. So I appreciate the fact that this was formulated without any fragrance. All in all, I really loved this product, and you guys can see from the before and the after the difference that it made to my skin with only one use. So I would highly recommend you guys checking this product out. The link to this will be mentioned down in my description box below. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. In case if you did, then don't forget to like this video and also share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much, Saturn, for sending me this product and introducing me to this absolute gem. With that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.
Thank you.